Section 7 of An Alphabet of History. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Gregory Eccles. An Alphabet of History by Wilbur D. Nesbitt. Galilei Galileo. Galilei Galileo was an early man of science. He was happy when inventing or discussing an appliance. Pendulums, he found by study, were precise in every wobble, showing how old Father Time went in his never-ending hobble. Galilei Galileo the thermometer invented, and informed the gaping public what its figures represented. "Oh, you foolish Galileo," cried the public, "you shall rue it. Why get up a thing to tell us we are hot? We always knew it." Galilei Galileo took a tube and got some lenses, and discovered things that made him rather disbelieve his senses. He would point his telescope up to the sky, and then he'd scan it, then go into breakfast smiling, for he'd found another planet. Galilei Galileo viewed the luminary solar, that's the sun, and found it spotted on the belt and regions polar. But he didn't figure out that when the sun was thickly freckled, then the world with lights and fusses was continually speckled. Galilei Galileo wrote a thing and then denounced it, but we often read his name and wonder how the man pronounced it. Maybe when he tried to he was all at sixes and at sevens, which is why he turned his studies to the dim and distant heavens. Galileo Galileo, what a musical cognomen! Possibly some bright librettist will find in this name an omen that presages fortune for him, and the stage will pay what we owe to that honest old stargazer, Galilei Galileo. End of recording. End of section 7. Recording by Gregory Eccles, South Africa.